It's Femi here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with copy trading on the BingX app. Now, in case you don't know what copy trading is all about, copy trading is a form of trading where you copy other professional traders, and then when they make profit from their trades, you also make profit, and when they make losses from their trade, you also make losses. So it's basically about you following a very good trader, and then you make money for yourself. And you don't even have to do anything, just follow the steps I'll be showing you in this video, and you'll be making money by copying other traders. Now, before I go ahead and show you how to make money with copy trading on the BingX app, in case you don't have a BingX account, I have a link in the description of this video, or you check the link in the pinned comment of this video, click on that link and go ahead and create a BingX account. And then once you've created your BingX account, you can come back here and watch everything I'll be showing you right now to make money with copy trading on the BingX app. So with that being said, please like this video so that other people can be able to see it and learn from it and learn how to make money with copy trading. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are trying to hit 200,000 subscribers. Thank you. Now, straight to the point, how do you make money with copy trading on the BingX app? Now, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have your money in your wallet. Now, to go to your wallet page, you come right here and click on Asset, where the arrow is pointing to. And right here on the screen is your asset page on the BingX app. Now, anytime you deposit money into your BingX account, the money will be in your fund wallet. Now, this is your fund wallet right here. So if I click on it, this is my fund wallet. So let me just scroll up and just show you how much I have right there. So I have 501 USDT in my fund wallet. And in case you don't know how to deposit money to your BingX account, I have a video on that. The link to that video, I'll put it in the description below. So make sure you watch that video so that you can learn how to deposit money into your account. So once you've deposited your money to your account, like I said, you will see it in your fund wallet. Now, the next thing you want to do is to transfer the money you want to use for copy trading to your futures wallet. Now, to do that, what you just have to do is to click on transfer right here. So I'll click on transfer, and then you see where it says from fund to standard futures. Now, this standard futures, change it to perpetual trading futures. So I'll just click on it right here, and at the bottom side of the screen, you see where it says USDSM perpetual futures wallet. So right there is where you want to transfer the money to. So I'll just click on it, and then I'll come right here and pick the currency I want to transfer, which is USDT, is there already. And then you come right here where you have size and enter the amount of money you want to transfer. So let's say, for example, I want to transfer, let's say $400. So I'll just put 400 right there, and then I'll click on transfer. So if I go back right here to my futures wallet, so this is my futures wallet right here. Let me click on it. So right here I have 400 USDT. You can see it right here. Now, once you have your money in your futures wallet, the next thing you want to do is to go to the copy trading page. Now, to go to the copy trading page, you come here to the bottom of the screen where you have futures. Just click on it. And then at the top of the screen, you scroll to the right. So you see right here where it says copy trading. So I'll click on it. And right here is the copy trading page. Now, once you get to this page, you'll be seeing the different traders that you can copy to make money, and they're in different categories. So I'll be taking you through the different categories, and I'll be showing you my own preferred way of picking a trader to copy on the BingX app. Now, for you to see all the different categories, you see where you have these all traders. You can see where they are pointing to. So this is where you can see all the traders that you can copy on the copy trading page on BingX. Now, if I keep scrolling up, you see where you have see all. So if I click on see all right here, this is where you can see all the different categories that you have. Now, after these all traders, the next one will be trending traders. This is another category. So if I click on trending traders, this is showing you the traders that are currently trending on the copy trading page on BingX right now. So this will include maybe traders that are making the most money right now, or maybe traders that are getting a lot of followers right now, or maybe traders that are making a lot of profit right now, or maybe traders that are getting high win ratio. So it's just going to be showing you traders that are currently trending on the copy trading page right now. Now, the next category beside it is conservative traders. Now, this category will show you traders that are taking low risk, but they are still making profit for themselves. So they are taking low risk, but they are making profit. So in case you are a kind of trader that you don't want to take high risk, maybe you just want to take a very low risk, you don't want to risk too much money, and you don't want to be risking your capital too much, then you can follow traders under this category. And then the next category beside it is rising stars. Now, this category will show you traders that are new to the copy trading page. That is traders that just joined maybe recently, and then people are following them. And these are traders that they are making consistent profit. So for example, you can see this first trader has made 12% profit in the last 7 days, and the person is still new. And you can see the second trader has made 35% profit in the last 7 days. This person is also still new. And you'll see the other traders right here. So these are different traders that are currently rising in the copy trading page on the BingX app. Now, aside from all these categories, if you scroll back to the left, you can see where you have this all traders. If you click on it, there are other categories under this all traders right here. So you can see where you have comprehensive. Beside it, you have a small arrow. So click on it. Now, right here are the different categories you can still find traders. Now, I'll be explaining all of these different categories and you can pick any one you prefer. Now, if you are picking account level descending, that means it's going to be showing you traders according to their account level. So it's going to be showing you from the highest to the lowest. Now, the next category is account asset descending. Now, if I pick this category, this means that it will be showing me traders according to the amount they are currently managing. So this means that for this category, the first trader will be the person that is managing the highest amount of money, that is the highest amount of assets. Then I'll be seeing other traders until I get down to the trader with the lowest account asset. I hope you understand. Now, the next category will be copiers descending. Now, this will show you traders according to the number of copiers they have. That is according to the number of people that are copying them. So if I pick this category, from the top, it will show me the trader that has the highest number of followers or the highest number of copiers. That is the person that has the highest number of people copying his or her trades. Then I'll see other traders down to the trader with the lowest copiers. I hope you understand. Now, the next category will be 30-day ROI. Now, this means that if I'm picking this category, I'll be seeing the trader with the highest amount of ROI in the last 30 days. And then I'll see other traders down to the trader with the lowest 30-day ROI. I hope you understand. Now, the next category will be cumulative P&L descending. So this one is different. It will show me the traders that have the highest cumulative profit or loss. And then it will show me other traders until I get to the trader with the lowest cumulative P&L. And this cumulative P&L will show you the amount the trader has made himself. That's the meaning, not the amount he has made for other traders. I hope you understand. But if you want to see the traders that have made the highest amount of money for their copiers, that's when you pick this next category that says cumulative earnings of copiers descending. That means that if you are picking this category, it will be showing you the traders that have made the most amount of money for the people copying them. So I hope you get the difference now. Now, the next one will be followers descending. Now, this one, if you are picking this category, it will show you the traders that have the highest followers, then down to the ones with the lowest followers. Followers is different from copiers. Copiers means the people that are copying your trades, but following means that they are just following you. They might not be copying your trade. I hope you understand. And then you have risk ascending. Now, risk ascending means that it will show you traders with the lowest risk up to traders with the highest risk. So these are different categories that you can pick. So like I said again, you can go ahead and pick whichever category you prefer. So if you're the kind of person that you want to copy a trader that has the highest ROI in the last 30 days, then pick this category right here that says 30-day ROI. Or maybe you're the kind of person that you want to follow a trader that has made the most amount of money for his or her copiers, then you can pick this cumulative earnings of copiers descending. So these are different categories that you can pick based on whichever one you prefer. Now, but for me, the one I prefer to go with is the trending traders. Now, we'll explain to you why. So if you click on these trending traders right here, like I said before, I said the traders under this category are traders that are currently trending on the copy trading page on BingX right now. So maybe they are traders that are making the highest ROI, or maybe traders that are making the cumulative P&L, or maybe traders that are getting huge number of copiers, or maybe traders that are getting high win ratio. So again, it will show you traders that are currently trending right here. So for example, you can see this trader right here. This person has made 27% profit in the last 30 days, which is good. And you can see the cumulative P&L, this person has made $386,000, which is huge. And you can see this person has 2,905 copiers. So this person is currently trending right now. I can see the second person right here. Now, this person has only 62 copiers. But you might be wondering that why is this person trending right now? Now, you can see the win ratio. This person has 92% win ratio, which is good. So this means that out of maybe 100 trades, this person has won 92 trades, which is very, very good. And you can see this third person right here. This person has 83% win ratio, and this person has 636 copiers. But that's not the only thing. This person is also trending for having 488% profit in the last 30 days. So you can see right here, you will see different traders that are currently trending in different categories right here. Now, if I want to pick someone to copy right here, the first thing I will avoid is picking someone with a very low win ratio. That's the first thing I will advise you to do. Don't pick a trader with a very low win ratio if you are coming under this category. What you should be looking out for is high win ratio and the 30-day ROI. Now, you can see the first person has 33% win ratio. That's quite low. But if you look at the second person right here, this person has 92% win ratio, and the last 30 days, he has made 28% profit. Now let me try to follow this person. But before I do that, if you're the kind of person that you prefer someone with huge ROI, then you can come here and copy this person with 488% profit. So whichever one you prefer, you can go ahead. But I think that 488% profit will be huge risk. Trust me, it is huge risk. But if you prefer to take huge risk, then you can follow this person. But for me, I will still go ahead and copy this second trader with 28% profit in the last 30 days. So if I want to do that, I'll just click on copy right here. Now, once you've selected the person you want to copy, the next thing is to go ahead and enter the amount you want to use to copy the trader. Now, there are two different methods. You have position ratio and then you have per order. These are two different ways you can use to enter how much you want to use to copy a trader. Now, what's the difference between these two? Now, if you are picking position ratio, now this means that the amount you'll be using to copy the trader will depend on the amount the trader is using to take his trade. Now, let me explain. Now, let's say, for example, the trader you are copying has $1,000 in his wallet, and the person is taking a trade with, let's say, $100. Now, $100 is 10% of everything in his wallet. So that means he's entering the trade with 10% of what he has in his wallet. I hope you understand. Now, how does that affect you? Now, this means that you will also be entering the trade with 10% of whatever thing you have in your wallet. That's a simple strategy right there. So if the person is entering with 25% of whatever he has in his wallet, you will also be entering the trade with 25% of whatever you have in your wallet. So I hope you get the logic right there. So that's if you want to use this position ratio. And if you want to use this position ratio, make sure you come here to where you have fund account available, where you have this 100 USDT. Click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be seeing 3 different wallets right here. So if you have transferred your money to perpetual futures account like I did earlier in this video, then you pick this third account right here. So you pick it. But if your money is still in your fund account, then you can go ahead and pick this fund account right here. So I hope you get it. So that's for this position ratio right here. Now, if you are picking per order, now for this one, it means that you'll be entering the fixed amount you want to use to copy each trade. So let's say, for example, you come here to where you have this margin. So let's say, for example, I enter, let's say $50 right here. So this means that I'll be copying each trade with $50. Or let's say, for example, I put in $500. That means that I'll be copying each trade with $500. I hope you get it. And you can see it right here where it says, when the trader opens a trade, the estimated margin of your order is $450 to 500 USDT. So that's what it means when you are picking per order right here. So I hope you get the difference between these two. Now, for the sake of this video, I'll be using per order, which means I'll be entering the fixed amount of money I want to use to copy each trade. So for this video, I transferred $400 to my perpetual futures account. So to copy this trade, we put in, let's say, $40 right here. So that means that I want to copy each trade with $40. The only time that you'll not be able to copy a trade with this per order right here is when you don't have any money in your futures account. That's the only time you'll not be able to enter a trade. But as long as you have minimum of $40 in your futures wallet, you can still copy any trade that is taken by this trader right here. So that's the first thing. Now, the next thing you want to do is to enter your take profit or your stop loss. Now, you see where you have this TP/SL, just click on it. And then you see where you can enter the take profit and the stop loss. And you can enter it in percentage. So you can see you have 5% up to 150% for take profit. And for stop loss, you have 20% up to 70% right here. Now, let's say, for example, for every trade you want to be taking 10% profit, you click on 10% right here. Or let's say, for example, for every trade you want to be taking 50% profit, you click on 50% right here. And let's say for stop loss, let's say for every trade you want to be risking 20%, you click on 20% right there. Or let's say, for example, you want to be risking 30%, you click on 30% right here. So whatever percentage of take profit and stop loss you are okay with, you can select them right here. But for me, sometimes I don't always like to enter take profit and stop loss whenever I'm doing copy trading. And the reason is because I always like to follow whatever take profit and stop loss the trader I'm copying is using. So this means that if I'm not setting anything right here, so let me delete the stop loss right here. And I'll also delete the take profit. So let's assume that I'm not putting anything right there. So that means that whenever the trader I'm copying takes profit, I'll also be taking my profit. So let's, for example, the trader ends the trade at, let's say, 20% profit. That means I'll also be making 20% profit. And let's, for example, it ends in a loss of, let's say, 10%. That means that I'll also be losing 10%. So for me, I always prefer to leave it to whatever the trader I'm copying is using. But if you prefer to set it by yourself, you can go ahead. There's nothing wrong in that. It's just my own preference. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to select your leverage. But you're not selecting leverage because it says here that your leverage is same as perpetual futures trading page. Now, what's the meaning of this? Now, if you go to your futures trading page, so as you can see on the screen, this is my futures trading page on the BingX app. Now, once you get to the futures trading page, you can see where that is pointing to where it says 10x. That's your leverage. Now, whatever leverage you have right there on your futures trading page, that's the leverage that will be used whenever you are copying a trader. So if it's that it's 20x that is there, it's 20x that will be used for every trade you take. If it's 100x that is there, it's 100x you'll be using for every trade that is there. So make sure that you set your leverage on the futures trading page before you go ahead and do everything I've shown you in this video. So again, please select your leverage. So that's how to select your leverage for copy trading on BingX. So once you've entered everything you need to enter, just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on copy now. And you can see it says success. So that means that I've been able to copy this trader. So you just click on subscribe and view details. So if I click on it, it will bring me to this page right here where I can be able to monitor how much I'm making or how much I'm losing. Again, just to remind you, you can see where it says 40 USDT per order. So it means that I'm copying each trade with maximum of 40 USDT. So that is the simple way to do copy trading on the BingX app. Just like that, I've been able to copy a trader, and every day I can come back here to see how much I'm making or how much I'm losing. So I hope you've been able to learn something from this video. If yes, please like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And in case you want to learn how to do demo trading on the BingX app, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Or in case you want to learn how to do futures trading on the BingX app, I also have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.